We'll be taking COVID-19 diaries. I mean, this is the part of the show that I don't really like because you're confronted with the reality of what is actually happening around you and out there. And it's very disturbing when you see the figures that we have to actually report every day. Well, COVID-19 updates.
COVID-19 Diaries.
COVID-19 Diaries.
COVID-19 Diary.
So the current global figure is 93,621,712. That's the number of people globally who have contracted the COVID-19. And we have 66,926,497 people who have recovered globally from the COVID-19. Unfortunately, the world has lost 2,004,585 lives to the COVID-19. Condolences going out there to every family, everybody, anybody who's lost a loved one, a family, a friend to the COVID-19. Sometimes it hurts most when it hits home directly. So let's do all to observe the safety protocols put out there for us. And now let's come down to Africa and look at the COVID-19 diaries for Africa.
COVID-19 Africa.
COVID-19 Africa.
Daily updates.
Well, in Africa, the total figure is 3,192,215. And we have 2,605,442 lives of people who have recovered in Africa from the COVID-19. Unfortunately, Africa has lost 76,852 lives to the COVID-19. Once again, our condolences going out there to anybody who's lost a loved one, or a family member, or a friend to the COVID-19. The country in Africa with the highest recorded cases of COVID-19 is South Africa, and they have currently 1,296,806 cases of the COVID-19. Very disturbing. Well, the country in Africa with the least recorded case, like Charlie, you guys, you guys be more. Like I keep saying, whatever it is you guys are doing, keep doing it, keep holding the fort. I'm talking about Western Sahara. They've had 10 for months now, and whatever it is you're doing, keep doing it. Let's ensure this thing doesn't go beyond 10 and keep the country safe for the citizens. And unfortunately, the country in Africa with the most recorded fatalities is also South Africa, and they have lost 35,852 lives to the COVID-19. Condolences going to the nation of South Africa as a whole and to the people who've lost loved ones there. We'll look at a COVID-related story now, and this is from Nigeria. Basically, it simply says NYSC shifts camp, reopening date, bans religious gatherings. So the National Youth Service Corps has banned all forms of religious gatherings on its orientation camps. Now it's the NYSC Camp Safe Reopening Project lead by Dr. Oyeladun Okunromade, and he stated this on Friday at the sensitization webinar for the 2020 Batch B Stream 2 Corp members. The event with the theme Protecting the Health of the Nigerian Youth, Safe Reopening of the NYSC Orientation Camps also had in attendance the Director General of NYSC, Brigadier General Shaibu Ibrahim, as well as the Director General of the Nigeria Center for Disease Control, Dr. Chikwe Ihekwazu. Also, the NYC Director General said the service won't hesitate to decamp any corps member who fails to adhere strictly to the COVID-19 protocols on the orientation camps. And Ibrahim said corps members will be allowed on NYSC approved camps nationwide from January 19th, 2021, as against the January 18th, 2021 that was earlier announced. Also speaking, we had Okunromade, and he said corps members would resume 200 daily and will be tested for COVID-19 upon getting to the NYSC camps, noting that those who test positive for the virus would be isolated at approved NCDC health facilities, whilst those who test negative would be allowed on the camps. I think this is a good thing to put in place to ensure that the people coming together for the national service do actually not endanger themselves or come and contract the COVID-19. Well, please do well to adhere to all the safety protocols. Until it hits home, you don't know how real it is, but this thing is really real. Well, we'll take our big question, and it's something we've been asking for the week, so do well to send your answers.
The big question.
The big question.
Now, this week, the big question is simple. Is America struggling with democracy? Is America struggling with democracy? If you think they are, send us your answers, your reasons. If you think they are not, send your reasons as well. You can reach us on Facebook at Africa Global Radio, on Twitter and Instagram at Af Global Radio. And you can send us a WhatsApp directly on +233 20 706 4680. Would love to absolutely hear from you and what you think about democracy in America.